Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show an exciting tool. It's known as Project Genie. So this one requires a Google Pro subscription, but I can show you what people have already created. So using this, you can create interactive worlds that are generated in real time. So it's mostly available in the US right now. So Project Genie is an early research prototype that lets you create and explore infinitely diverse worlds. You can create your world, you can build a character and explore a landscape that builds itself in real time around you. Okay, so you can prompt with images or text to create living, expanding world, build your characters and environment, choose how to explore your world from walking to riding, flying to driving. You can edit and redefine your world. Then you can make it autumn, change the seasons. Then you can modify image and prompt to create the world of your imagination. Then you can step into your world. Your world is navigable and environment that's waiting to be explored. As you move, Genie creates the world around you in real time as you move around this world. So it's quite interesting. You can explore the natural world. Some of this world, as you can see here, there's a natural world that is created using a single prompt of image. So when you move around it, you can create the entire thing. Now let's say a folded flyer. You can sail along the water to fly through the sky to get a new perspective, or you could take an approach of a bird, Amazon aviator flying through a rainforest, or you could be a clay place, explore a fantastical textured world made of clay, looking for pieces that can be moved around in space. Or you could be a cat, that is cat vac I would call, who is sitting on a vacuum cleaner and moving around. Or it could be a backyard racetrack. It could be anything, right? Then you can simulate this and see it. So I'll just take you to the gallery and show you some of the things. You see this? So now this is push the limit of snail speed as you explore a colored felted racetrack. Okay, so now this is a silver spear that is bumping into yellow balls. So this is a ruined rover exploring the ruins of a mysterious monument as an RC car. So you can go ahead and create anything that you want. Okay, so now I'll show you this explore now. The moment I do that, it will take me to a world where I can create the entire world from my own perspective. So it's just loading. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to do anything here because it needs a pro license. Okay, see this. These are the worlds that is being created by other people. Now if I want to create my own, I can come here and say create my own. I can describe the environment, choose a location from Google Maps if I want. Here I can put, if I want to view it as a third person or a first person, I can describe the character. So this is the image that I add as a reference. This is the location in the Google Maps that I can put in and explore a surprise world. If I say that, it's gonna explore a surprise world. Access to this project is currently limited. Early project access is required is what it's saying. Now let's go and explore the world that has been created by somebody else. Okay, so let's go and explore this. So this project also, currently it is limited to US people only, but you see this, watch playthrough. You can see how you can explore a clay world. It's quite interesting. Similarly, you have other world like this is built using snail seed. If you look at it, see, you can create your own world. That's so interesting. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and if you want such exciting videos from around the world, then you please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as Mr. No. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show.